Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve this reel isn't available on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to solve this issue that this specific reel won't be available on the Instagram application in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this and solve this step by step. So all we need to do to basically solve this issue is to be aware that not every reel that you view, if somebody in the case that somebody has sent you a reel, will be available once you view it. So for example, let's say that somebody has sent you a reel on the Instagram application before, and you took a little while before you have viewed it. Now, in the case that you cannot see this specific reel, the reason as to why that may be happening is because, let's say, the reel has been deleted before already. So it's not going to show you any more chances of viewing it, so you got to go ahead and understand that on your end. Now, one more thing that we could also do in order for us to solve this issue, in the case that that is not the case, we can actually go ahead and double check our Wi-Fi connection with our internet and see if we have a stable internet connection with our network. You can also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Last thing, we could also go ahead and make sure that we are using the latest version of the Instagram application. So go ahead and do a quick search of the Instagram application right here. Make sure that you have the latest version installed, and we can now go ahead and enjoy the Instagram application without any of these issues. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.